Hi everyone, so I'm reviewing Dr. Jart V7 Toning Mask. The V7 here stands for the 7 vitamin complex that it has, so it has vitamin A, B3, B5, C, E, F, and H. So it's supposed to be helping with discoloration and help even out your skin immediately. The sheet mask here is quite special because it's said that it's a Skincell sheet, so it has a microfiber structure and help adhere to your skin better. So typically in a box you would have 5 pieces of mask, each of which is 30 grams. This box here is a trial, so I only have 3 pieces. The layout of the mask is the same as the box that it comes in, so you have the back with the exact same instruction as the box. So I'm going to quickly just show you how much product is inside the mask. So I'll be pouring it out onto my hand. As you can see here, the product is quite thick. It's also white in color. As compared to other Korean masks or Japanese masks, I think there's less product in this one. So the Skincell sheet mask you see here have an orange film liner, so it helps you adjust the mask on your face before peeling the orange film off. Trust me, you want to follow this instruction because the mask can stick together really quickly. Here's a photo of my cheek, so you see a little bit of coloration on it. When I'm using the mask, it actually sticks very close to your skin, and afterwards I actually felt that a lot of the coloration was gone. Here I want to quickly show you the mask after it's done. So as you see here, it's very hard to pull. I think texture-wise it's almost like cloth afterwards. I think with this product, I would buy again and perhaps use it a day before any big events just to help with the skin tone. Thank you so much for watching and hope you tune in again soon.